How to download YouTube video in USB. First, plug your USB flash drive into your computer. Give Windows a moment to recognize it. Once it's connected, we're ready to download the video. Now open your web browser. Then go to youtube.com. Once YouTube opens, click your profile picture in the top right corner. From the menu, click YouTube Studio. This is where you'll find the videos you've uploaded to your own channel. Inside YouTube Studio, look at the menu on the left. Then click Content. Here, you'll see your uploaded videos. Now find the video you want to save. Once you've found it, click the three dots next to that video. From the menu, click Download. And this is the important part. Wait for the download to finish completely. Then click Downloads from the menu on the left. You should see the video you just downloaded. Now, let's move it to your USB drive. Right-click the downloaded video. Then select Copy. Next, click your USB flash drive from the left side of File Explorer. Open the folder where you want to keep the file. Then right-click inside the folder and select Paste. Give it a moment to finish copying. If you're trying to download someone else's YouTube music or videos, make sure you have permission or that the content is available for download through an authorized option. This tutorial uses YouTube's built-in download feature for videos uploaded to your own channel. If this helped you move your YouTube video to a USB drive, like the video and subscribe for more quick, step-by-step tech tutorials.